Okay, now the last forms that I want to look at with you in Hiphil is the participles. And these are in sale on the bottom of 188 and then 189. He gives you the chart. So the major diagnostic for the Hiphil participle is that there's a mem prefix. Now, I know that your PL also had a mem prefix, but this mem prefix in the Hiphil will not ever, I think, yeah, it will not ever have a heroic vowel. Or, I'm sorry, a shava. So in your PL, it's mekatel is your pronunciation. So mekatel is your PL with the shava under the mem and the doubling of the second root letter to mark the PL. In the Hiphil, you will have that mem prefix, but maktil is your form. So in any case, you will not have a shava vowel under the mem. So when you see a mem prefix with any other vowel, usually an A vowel, then you'll know this is the Hiphil participle. So maktil is your masculine singular Hiphil participle. And so you get that heroic yod vowel between second and third root letter too. But if you want to see all the different possibilities for like the weak verbs for their participles, you can see that in sale on 189. So know that diagnostic, and then I thought we'd look at a couple examples from the Bible so we can see how this is used. Okay, so the first one you have is me'ain miyadi matsil. Okay, what do we have here? So your the ain, that would be and there is not. Ain, ain, ain't, there ain't any. Miyadi, so we just looked at an example with miyad, right? So yad, there's three things going on in miyadi. First, there's the prefix min, from, and that noon has assimilated into the yod, into that next consonant, the yod from yad. So we have the min, from, then we have yad, hand, and then the e, the heroic yod on the end, is the first common singular suffix. So we have miyadi would be from my hand. And then matsil. Okay, here we have a Hiphil participle, but what's going on? Well, this is a first noon verb. The noon has assimilated into the tzade. So this is from the verb natsal, to deliver. So this is like, and this is the participle form. So ve'ein miyadi matsil would be like, and there is not from my hand one who is delivering. And so causative of deliver would be like causes to deliver. It's kind of the same. So, and there is not from my hand one who delivers, or a deliverer. So maybe smoothing this out. And there is no deliverer from my hand. I have not given a deliverer, something like that. A rescuer, maybe. Okay, so the second example, ve'ein moshia lach. Same thing, ve'ein, and there is not. Now moshia, now that's our Hiphil verb, and it's our participle. So here we have the mem prefix identifying it as a Hiphil participle. And then we have a vav, shin, yod, and ayin. So what are we going to recognize the root as? We're going to remember that rule that first yods used to be first vavs. So this is from yod, shin, ayin, a verb we already looked at. So this is like one who caused, another word for to deliver, basically, to save. So saving one, maybe, one who causes to save. So, and there is not a saving one, a deliverer, again. Lach, to her. There is no deliverer for her. Yeah, so this is the last form I want you to really pay attention to with the Hiphil. And remember, this is causative, and remember these diagnostics so you can recognize a Hiphil form when you see it.